Haba haba.
Okay, I'm new to this haba haba stuff. Can I just get one more haba haba? Each and every one of us, we need some things that will keep us moving each and every day in our lives. Those are two things: motivation, inspiration. You know, in order for you to go forward with your vision, carrying that determination to reach your mission, you need inspiration and motivation. Whether you're a student, you're a scholar, you're an intern, you're a bank assistant, you need motivation to go forward, to keep moving. I'm Lindokuhle Bikitsha and I'm presenting Mapiki. Mapiki is a motivational driver. We drive motivation to people through t-shirts. We print t-shirts and we code t-shirts for people to get motivated. Each and every day they move forward. That is what we do. My colleague is going to show you some templates of some of the designs we have made.
While we're waiting, can we keep anyone with some hubba-hubbas?
Hubba!
Oh, you're running out of time.
Tick.
Hubba.
No pressure.
No pressure. No pressure. No pressure. 60 no pressure. 60?
Only 1 minute now.
All right.
No pressure.
No pressure.
Hubba, hubba.
Yeah, buddy.
Sorry for that. Yes. Don't always try to fit in. Own yourself and be proud to be different than the rest. When you hustle as much as you want to eat, that is when you'll reach full potential.
That's nice.
You are pretty, elegant, right, flexible, electric, charming, tolerant in your own way. If you see that, that is perfect in your own way. You can keep knocking, but won't knock me down.
Amen. Amen.
So you can, inside every older person is a younger person wondering what the F happened. So don't be that person. Don't be that person. You were born to live, not to be perfect. We are all different. We see, we eat, speak, think, write, and look.
How many of each t-shirt do you print?
Basically, we started about a 20 each design per shirt, so that you don't see your t-shirt, you don't see the next person wearing your t-shirt.
And what's the price range?
The price goes at from 150 to 200, depending on the design.